Find a right angle without using a square. This stake is between these two are 3 feet. Between that one and that one is 4 feet. And then measuring from those two is 5 feet. And that gets you a perfect 90-degree right there. What I did is I put in this stake first and then that one at 3 feet. And I stuck that one in at 4 feet, but then I measured from this stake to that one. I had to move that one around a little bit to get the 5 feet. Then I double checked the 4 feet here, got it right on the money, and then you have a perfect 90-degree angle right there. Be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.